Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey y'all. So welcome back to the channel. And as you guys can see, we're about to do our September closeout. And let me tell you, little baby, okay? For the first time in a long time, I got it right. Y'all, listen, if any of y'all used to see my budget closeout, y'all know your girl used to be missing numbers going through it, but your girl this time got it right. You feel me? Anyways, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure if you enjoy the content here on this little channel right here, little baby, you hit that thumbs up button, you leave a comment down below, you share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, and baby, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You feel me? Anyways, y'all, let's get all up in my business and look into this budget. Okay, y'all, so this was my September spread and we're gonna finish it out. This was from Her Curse to Plan, and on this side is my bills, income, and giving, and the other side is my cash envelopes, but we're gonna start off over here. So what I got regular pay for the month, right, was a total of $3,884.23. I also happened to get some extra coins, little baby. You feel me? And that was in the total of $588.90. And if you add these two up together, that gave me a total income of $4,473 and what? 13 cents. That is cute. We love to see those numbers. So anyways, 10% of this, what I calculated for my tithes, is $425. This is what I actually put towards tithes. $425. And then I didn't have any other given, no, like, you know, charity or anything like that. So $425 was my total in giving that I did. Now, not gonna lie, little baby, expenses, some of them have a little switch up. So rent was still $800. I didn't pay no electricity fee because you guys know, or if you don't know, I do room for rent, and water, electricity, gas, internet is included in that. So no electricity, no water, no internet. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Then for my phone bill, I paid $44.04. And that was because the family gave me like an even number of money and I got some little extra change on it. So my bill for phone went down from the 45. Listen, every little bit counts, okay? And so I got to stay on my A game with this budget. Next, we did the full $465 for car payment. And then insurance was $120.90. That is the normal payment. Your girl just like even numbers. Netflix got $10.99. Not gonna lie, y'all, I cut off Netflix like a bad habit. I did. I realized I wasn't using it, and so your girl was just out here wasting her $11. And who about to be out here wasting her $11 on what? For who? For why? So I wasn't using it, so I cut it off. Apple Music is getting $14.99. Emergency fund still got their $300. And if you guys have not seen my emergency fund breakdown, little baby, as my girl Rochelle Adamson says, shut the eye in the sky, because your girl has her emergency fund breakdown. And if you want some inspiration how to get yours together, because child, we didn't know we needed to be these rich bitches. You feel me? But apparently, you know, when you claim kings and queens, that's the energy you got to have. So it is what it is. USAA still got $65. Merrick, which is my dad in Jamaica, still gets his $200. And then guys, Cricket, okay? I finally discovered which account was taking my $10, and so we didn't put nothing to Cricket. Cause what? We bad bees. Okay? So nothing went to Cricket. We updated that, and listen, okay? We figuring out our budget and getting it together. And then last but not least, For car payment, the only thing I put extra towards it was 90 cents. You feel me? However, I did have some extra credit card payment. And I didn't plan anything for it, obviously. And I'm not putting anything in the mid-month. But in total, because I had to pay off my credit card or pay some money on this credit card, I put $446.66. That was the total I put towards credit card payments because, child, okay, October is credit card debt-free month, okay? If y'all seen my monthly overview, I'm working on a minimum wage budget, y'all. I'm trying this, baby. We gonna see how it goes. It is the 4th. Is it the 4th? Yes, girl, it's the 4th of October, and yeah, we 4 days in, so we're making it. What's next? Oh, so my total, yes, this is look upside down or in between or whatever you want to call it, but it's gonna stay this way. So my total in expenses was $2,344.13. So boom, bada, bang. Okay, so that was my September budget, income, giving, and expenses. Now on to my cash envelopes. So while we're doing this September budget closeout, I just wanted to come to you guys with a quick saving challenge because you know we are in the holiday season, little baby. So my girl Money with Gab is doing this Falling for Fall October saving challenge, and you can get it on her Etsy shop, okay? Go ahead, check her out. Her link is down in the description box. And y'all, let's do the saving challenge together because you know what, okay? Get your money right, get your money tight, get it all together, okay? So let's continue with closing out our September budget. But baby, hit this up and get your life together. Get it together. So y'all, in my cash envelopes, my Christmas bills, right? They got $3. My groceries got $200, which shout out to the extra income because this was my first month like stocking up. Your girl needed stuff. Fuel got $50. I told myself I needed 100. Yeah, I played myself with this 50 too. Crown got $15. My allowance got $95. Y'all, I told myself I was giving me 200. The way this budget set up, y'all got to adjust. Like, it's okay to adjust, little baby, because your girl, she had to adjust. Household got 20. Toiletries got 15. Okay, these got some little extra money that they, you know, they playing. Clothing was 10, but you know, we didn't like her this month. We gonna see, baby. We don't think she getting anything for October either, but you know what? It's just the beginning. Support a friend. She still got her $50 because yes, ma'am. Support a friend's $50. YouTube got $45. Oh, she was cashing out. $45. Then going out got nothing. She was good with whatever she had left. Business got $50. Okay, 20 to 50. That's how you do it. Miscellaneous got $15. Then home only had 20. Y'all, I've never put like this low amount in my sinking funds before, and home starts my sinking funds. Travel only got 20, but that's what was planned, so we good. Car maintenance got 30. Listen, you gotta keep that car maintenance going no matter what. If you can put like $5, $1, $10, no matter what you can put in there, keep your car maintenance envelope going, baby. Put money in there because you never know when these cars about to, you know, give you an L on a regular day. Minding your business, and that is like boom, out of nowhere. Fam's B-Day got $70. Christmas got its usual $85. Jamaica vacay plan for $100, but that was a no. Then Juneteenth didn't get anything. However, my savings challenges, baby, $236 was the estimate. Child, 921. Cause what? Play no games. Black Friday. Where'd you at? They got nothing too, and so did Thanksgiving. And y'all, I might be increasing a little bit in Thanksgiving because, okay, the what's that called? The gas. I probably will be using Thanksgiving money for the gas to go home because, child, it's gonna cost me the $150 that's in Thanksgiving to go home and come back. So yeah, your girl is there. So in total, how much I have for my cash envelopes and saving challenge was $1,704. So like I said, I'm gonna mark these middlemans. I'm good. So my actual income was $4,473.13. My giving came up to a beautiful total of $425. I don't know if y'all can see this. I hope y'all can see this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. A $425. Okay, my expenses, that is her, came up to $200. That's a lie. Came up to $2,344.13. My savings, which I'm gonna put my saving challenges, came up to $921. My cash envelopes themselves came up to a total of $783, and then we have nothing for extra debt because that was under expenses. So if we calculate 4473.13 minus the $425 for giving, the $2,344.13 for our expenses, the $921 for our saving challenges, and the $783 we put in our cash envelopes, we have zero. And we love to see it. We love to see it. So guys, that is my September budget closeout. Like your girl got her coins together. You feel me? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings, little baby. Subscribe to the channel if you like this content, okay? And remember, okay, budgeting is ghetto, and budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis. Okay, again, my name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.